Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you in my do-it-yourself educational project series. This is the second video in the series, and today I will be creating a back cover for a planner, and I will be using this Brutus Monroe stamp, and it is called Turtle Family. So while I go ahead and stamp that in some Memento Tuxedo black ink, I'm just going to mention that this is the second video in this new series here on my channel. The last video that I posted in this series was a planner cover using digital stamps. So I will go ahead and put a link to that on the top of the video and also down below in the description box. So if you're interested in that, you can check out that link and see the process of how to do planner covers with digital stamps. So now I'm just going to go ahead and color this in with some Spectrum Noir markers. And all of the supplies used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. So definitely check out those links if you're interested in the products that I used today. So this is going to be a homeschool planner, the back cover for my homeschool planner. And I thought that I would go ahead and share a series here on my YouTube channel because I'm making some things for homeschool and back to school. My son is going to be homeschooled. He is going into kindergarten. I also have a preschool age son as well. So we are going to have a lot of fun, and I wanted to create some fun things and different things with my stamping products so that I could personalize them to their likes and just have some fun with this. And I know that with the virus going on out there and just uncertainties, a lot more people are homeschooling due to circumstances, and so I thought this would be a fun series to share. And maybe your projects won't look like this, and it doesn't have to be like this, but this is just what I'm doing, and it's fun, and I wanted to share it to give you some inspiration to do things yourself and spark some ideas, and maybe what I share will spark some other ideas that you can come up with from what I'm sharing. So just wanted to share my journey of preparing with you, and this could even be great ideas for just any kind of planner that you are using. So with this series, there'll be some more possibly planner stuff. I have a few games in mind and some different educational tools to use with crafting products, and also you could probably do a lot of these projects with just easier without the stamping products, but since I have them on hand, I'm going to go ahead and use them. So for this next part, after everything is colored, I colored the turtle and the border, and so now I'm just using some Distress Oxide inks and the circle from the Simon Says stamp It's No Secret stamp set, and I'm just going to take a few different Distress Oxide inks, and I'm going to create a pattern and a background on this dashboard to create a fun, crazy element of fun. And matching those colors to the turtle as best I can with the Distress Oxides that I have. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you use a planner and what do you use your planner for most. I know I've heard a lot of people like say, oh, I don't even need a planner for 2020, but I still definitely need a planner. I plan out all my YouTube videos in my planner, and the kids still have appointments and different things that we need to think about. And I know that I want to be writing things down for this next season in fall. So planners are definitely great for so many things. I think it's so great you can even like memory keep in a planner. I've seen a lot of that and I think that's such a fun idea. So this would be a fun way to create a personalized planner cover for even that. So I went ahead and used the Happy Planner paper punch, and as you can see, it's on the other side. So when you're doing a back cover, you want to make sure that you paper punch it on the opposite side that you usually would if it was the front cover. That might seem obvious, but when you are so used to maybe creating a front cover, it is very easy to just go ahead and hole punch it on the other side. The side that you always put it into the rings or like a binder. It's your brain is like on autopilot to punch it on the side that you are so used to. So just keep that in mind. And so that is the background. And then I went ahead and mounted another piece of paper on the back and glued that onto there. And then I laminated it and then cut out the little hole punch areas so I could pop it into my planner. And that is going to finish up today's video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content coming your way, and definitely let me know in the comments below how you use your planner. So bye for now.